How can I maintain a comfortable pumping schedule during the winter months?
So your pumping schedule is going to be the exact same that it's going to be during the summer. The temperature outside does not actually do anything to change what it biologically takes in order to generate a milk supply. It's going to be unique to each mom and baby, how often that mom needs to be removing milk to meet that baby's needs. What we tend to tell you is during the winter, for the holiday season in particular, and then for cold and flu season, it's really easy to get off track for any number of reasons. So the stronger the supply is before those stressors happen, the better our body is able to cope with it. So now would not be the time that I would recommend anybody try dropping a pump session unless you are truly at your wits' ends. I would tell you while things are good, try and get that every 2 to 3 hours during the day and try and keep those nighttime pumps or nighttime nursing sessions going as long as possible, so that if you do get off track because you were at a holiday gathering or you do get the cold or flu and it does knock you down for a couple days, that the supply is in a better position to be able to cope with it. We do see a lot of moms that come to us really sad when they get sick in the winter because they've gotten off track. They were only removing milk 4 to 5 times a day. Everything seemed like it was okay until that stomach bug hit them, and that stomach bug has wiped out their milk supply because it was already vulnerable and their body just wasn't able to cope. And then we have to do a lot of work to get it back. Sometimes we can't even get it back, which is always really sad. So stay as consistent as possible going into this time, because it's holiday season and it's cold and flu season. And if you're watching this and you are a parent, that means that you have a baby or a small child, and those are tiny germ spreaders. That is what they do best. So you will get sick at some point. It just goes with the territory. Let's make sure that a milk supply is in as good a position to cope as we can.